Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're all doing well. We're going to be looking at question number 5 in this video. If 2 to the x equals 16, then 2 to the x plus 3 equals. Now, you can take this equation, this first equation, and say, okay, let's figure out what x is. And you'll figure out that x is 4, and you can then plug it into this expression, get 2 to the 4 plus 3, which is 2 to the 7, which is 128. But we don't actually need to figure out what x is to answer this question. It's an interesting little challenge that you might not think of. If we use just our exponent properties, a sum can turn into two products like this, but I know what 2 to the x is. It's 16. They've told me that. And I know what 2 to the 3 is. I don't need to grab my calculator, although if you do, that's okay. But I do recommend you know the first 10 or so powers of 2. They can sometimes really help speed things up. And then 16 times 8, again, get your calculator if you need to. If not, you can just multiply through, and you'll get 128. There. Okay, so I think that was D. I'm not sure. Let's go back and check. Yeah, D, 128. Very short, very simple question. You can do it either way, but I'm just trying to show off that you don't have to figure out x. This is great prep for later questions, not necessarily on this paper, but more difficult questions where they have an expression involving x and there isn't a way to solve for x. Okay? And sometimes you get questions like that. And so looking for ways to do it in simpler questions can start to train our mind to think that way. Okay? So I'll see you guys for question number 6 in the next video.